come up, they all want it. Where was you at from the beginning? In this game, not everyone wins.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Be working on my truck. That guy's there. We're working on this thing today instead of the Fords. I know you guys like seeing the Fords on the channel, but putting the water pump in. That's the new one. The old one's somewhere around here. I don't know where, but anyways, got that all apart. So we're gonna just do a time lapse of this. Anything you got to tell the people?
No.
Coronavirus, 2019, 2020.
Yeah.
Well, it started in 2019. That's my point.
Quarantine.
Right. Can't really go anywhere. All the stores are closed in New York.
Not all of them.
Most of the stores in New York are closed.
These are open.
It's a nice-ish day out.
Necessities are open, meaning no Ford dealership is open.
This thing still here.
This thing is closed.
Look at that big rust hole right there.
That's fine. It's not like I'm from North Carolina.
Got the
I am
Amish over there working on that house. So
Amish left.
okay, well, they were there. We'll be back later. Alright, guys, out here working on the Ranger. You already saw part of doing the water pump on the Duramax. That's all done, but it's leaking again, so gotta pull it back apart. Yeah. Doing brakes on the old Ranger. Swap it into summer tires. And this is for sale if anybody wants to buy it. So and then you just pull those off.
Oh, they are the 9.6 ones. Those are the ones that had ordered.
Alright, got the right brakes now for this thing, not the left ones. We only got the right ones. And he's gonna try and pull these apart and lose a few springs and then trying to figure out how to get them back together. Do you know what you're doing?
Yes.
There's a tool for that.
That's fine.
It's the red-handled tool.
Look for that tool.
And you just pop it on there. Now you gotta push a little harder. Do you even know what you're doing? Do you know how to do this?
It's all
drum
rusted
brakes
together.
Yeah, you should have bought, I don't know, maybe a Ford or something.
Should have bought something from New York, right?
Yeah, definitely. It's got an exhaust tip on it.
Stuff from New York is rust free.
Yeah, definitely not. So stay tuned for this. Alright guys, out here, got the Duramax, got it all back together, and of course it's leaking from that hose right there. See it kind of dripping down on there, so gotta get an O-ring, but it's all back together now. So that's that. And I'll show you some stuff on the Ranger and then we'll end the video. Alright, got the Ranger out here. Runs and everything, still needs a radiator. We were on vacation for a while, so couldn't do that, but it's there. It's still for sale if anybody wants it. $2,500 asking. So that's that. Since it's getting nicer out here, we're gonna be getting the jet ski out, putting that on the water. So hopefully we'll have some videos of that this summer. Driving it around, maybe get a tube, drive that around. So there's a jet ski. You guys didn't really see much of that last year, but got that last year. Wave Runner 3, so we'll be getting that ready and be seeing that in more videos. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and we'll see you on the next one.